Good morning everyone. So this is going to be a pretty brief video. I just wanted to put one out there just to let you guys know that Atmosphere 1.3.0 is now an official release. So they do state on when they have a pre-release out that as long as everything goes fine, it will just be converted to a full release. So there was no announcement, no update. As you can see, it still says 11 days ago, but that was when the original pre-release came out. And now it no longer says pre-release after Atmosphere 1.3.0. So obviously there's no bugs in it, no issues at all. They just changed it from a pre-release to a release, which is great. So all the people that had updated early, you don't need to worry about ironing out any bugs or anything like that. And you can just continue with the pre-release version you already had installed on your Switch. You don't need to update again. And that's pretty much it. I just want to quickly just pop over to my Switch and just show you how it looks on the all-in-one updater. So here we are on the all-in-one updater, and as you can see, it just has the one version now, Atmosphere 1.3.0 Master, which includes the homebrew menu, but that is exactly the same version you had before. So if you're already on 1.3.0, don't worry about updating again. You don't need to. You can happily stay on 14.0.0 with this version you've already got installed. If you were holding out for whatever reason, be it that you wanted to make sure there are no bugs, or you hadn't updated to 14.0.0 yet, you can go ahead and install this. You can stay on whatever version of official Nintendo you're on already. That this will work in all of them, but it just means that you're good to go. If you hadn't updated yet, I do recommend updating to this version just because it irons out other bugs. I'm sure they always state that in the notes, but that's pretty much it. There is a new Deep Sea package, but that just has loads of other little bits and bobs added on, like loads of apps included in a big package. I will do a video on Deep Sea just so people know what it is, but you can just get the normal version if you wanted to and install that. But I'll do a video on Deep Sea one day because I need to sort of deep dive into actually what is included and break it down. But that's it, quite simple. Atmosphere 1.3.0 is now an official release. Get it if you haven't, and that is it really. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.